Hey, what's up guys? So there are less times when we get excited about any Apple's upcoming product. So it's not about the iPhone 12 news, it's just about the iPhone SE 2, or maybe we call it just the iPhone SE. So the rumors of the iPhone SE or SE 2 is coming not only for months but for a couple of years. We have been listening for a couple of years that Apple is working on an iPhone with a 4.5-inch display with a Touch ID, which will be the mid-range mobile phone from Apple. So the iPhone SE is coming sooner than we expect. According to John Prosser, Apple will release this mobile phone on 15th of April. 9to5Mac told us that Apple is going to release this mobile phone as soon as today, on Friday 3rd April. There are also some evidence of the iPhone SE upcoming on the Apple's own website. First of all, the Apple Care of the iPhone SE is available on the Apple's website. Before it was not available. And the second evidence that proves that iPhone SE is coming sooner is the screen protector. When you search iPhone 8 screen protector on Apple's website, it will show you the name of iPhone 7, 8 and iPhone SE screen protector, which will tells us that the screen protector will be same of the iPhone 7, 8 and SE. We already know that iPhone SE will come in 4 same display as the iPhone 7 or iPhone 8 have. And the arriving of the iPhone SE cases on the Best Buy, and the name of the cases written on these cases is the iPhone 2020 with a 4.7-inch display. So according to all of this, we may see this mobile phone as soon as today. So let's talk about some specifications of this mobile phone. First, talk about the display. So display will be the same size and the aspect to the iPhone 7 and 8. It's not confirmed that we will have a 3D touch in this mobile phone or not, because we know that Apple cut off the 3D touch in their new mobile phones like iPhone 11, 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max. Instead, they gave us a haptic touch replacing the 3D touch. But there will be a True Tone display in the iPhone SE 2020. Next, let's talk about the cameras. The cameras of the iPhone SE will be the same as the iPhone 12. We will see a 12 megapixel normal camera, but there will be only single camera on the iPhone SE. We will not see a wide angle camera or a telephoto camera on that mobile phone, because this mobile phone is just a mid-range mobile phone, not a flagship mobile phone. And we will see about what will be the megapixel of the front camera of the mobile phone. And in the RAM department, the rumors are saying that the iPhone SE will have 3 GB of RAM. And in processor, it will have a Apple A13 processor, same as the iPhone 11, 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max. And we already know that Apple's A13 processor is very fast and management is superior to the other processors. The optimization of speed and battery is best in the Apple's A13 processor. So let's jump to the back of the mobile phone. It will have a same glass as the iPhone 8 have, but the main difference we can see through the iPhone 8 and the iPhone SE 2020 will be the back Apple logo. The back Apple logo of the iPhone SE 2 will be placed in the center of the mobile phone, as we've seen in the iPhone 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max. Instead of upper, we will see a Apple logo in the middle of the back of the mobile phone. In color scheme, Apple will only give us the colors of silver, red and black. There will not be any golden color or rose gold color in the iPhone SE 2020. With the cooperation of the iPhone, it will be only available in 3 colors. And in storage department, the iPhone SE 2020 will have a storage capacity of 64 GB, 120 GB and 256 GB. We will not see a 512 GB or 1 TB in this mobile phone, because it's just a mid-range mobile phone, not a flagship mobile phone. So according to the rumors, there will be less covers for the iPhone SE 4.7-inch display as compared to the other iPhones covers available on the Apple's website. There will be only just 2 to 3 cases in silicone and leather case. According to John Prosser, he didn't hear anything about the iPhone launch today. Literally, according to him, all the sources says that iPhone SE 2 will be available on the 15th April. But he also be surprised if Apple release that mobile phone today. So let me tell your thoughts about this mobile phone in the comments. Would you buy this mobile phone for yourself or not? So if you like this video, give thumbs up to this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And I will catch you in another video. Until peace out.